Hi! In front of me is Huawei Nova 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off high performance mode. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access battery. Then just click on this switcher next to Performance mode. If the switcher is gray, that means that high performance is disabled, but you can always enable it by selecting gray switcher. And if it's blue, that means that your mode is definitely on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!